What's up, y'all? So I found this S10 Z71. I've been looking for a door for one, driver's side door. I'm gonna take that one right there, then all I need is a panel. The hinge on mine is wore out, so it falls every time you open the door and try to close it. And it's awful to deal with. Anyway, I kind of made this video for my newfound friend 1111 Cole because after some conversation last night, he revealed some things I found interesting and peculiar and always intriguing. So anyway, I thought you might be interested to see that, if nothing else. Love y'all. Be blessed. Selah.